Hi, I'm Sara Kugler, author of Better Book Clubs, and I've been thinking a lot about how with book clubs, maybe one of the hardest parts is just figuring out the logistics of how to get started. A second way that teachers have gotten it up and running is by just starting with like a slow rollout, one or two clubs in the beginning. They pick a couple of days a week that they want those book clubs to meet. And rather than only meeting when they meet with the teacher, 1 or 2 days a week, Tuesday, Thursday, the club has a 5 to 10 minute discussion on their own without the teacher. It's a nice way to just do a slow rollout. You can add a couple of book clubs a week, and it also gives you opportunities to kind of build interest in participating in book clubs, because if one or two groups are doing it, other kids are going to show interest.